Meet 14-year-old Pooja Kumari. She has convinced her father to let her go back to school. Unfortunately, many girls across the country leave their education midway. Often because families do not value girls' education or due to financial limitations. Sometimes girls are bound by household work and sometimes they get married young. Once married, young girls are deprived of their fundamental rights and freedom. C3's intervention at the crucial stage of adolescence ensures that millions of girls grow up to be educated, resilient, economically empowered, and capable of making their own decisions. With the knowledge to navigate through their sexual and reproductive health and higher self-esteem, they have the agency to make better life choices. This is Aarti Devi. Last year, she was elected as a ward member, councillor of her village. With little knowledge of her role and responsibilities, she lacked the confidence to address her own community. C3's Women Leadership Program helped Aarti Devi develop her leadership skills and play the role of an elected representative. Today, she confidently deals with members of the village council on issues of health and nutrition, women's access to reproductive health and rights, and services provided at their health center. Thousands of women leaders like Aarti Devi are now transforming their communities, proactively engaging with crucial issues like access to family planning, girls' education, prevention of early marriage, and making sure that women's voices are heard. This is Sabha, a village health nurse. She is out on her daily round of the village. She starts by visiting the village community center to educate a group of pregnant women on antenatal and postnatal care. Then she makes a stop at the village health center to aid a woman giving birth. Sabha has been a part of C3's initiative aimed at ensuring quality and respectful maternal care. Here, she learnt about the need to inform her community on family planning services, safe motherhood, and women accessing entitlements. Thousands of healthcare service providers like Sabha are ensuring that pregnant women regularly visit their local health centers, confidently ask questions, be fully aware of their rights and entitlements, and share their feedback on services provided to them. Pooja Kumari, Sabha, and Aarti Devi. They are among the hundreds and thousands of girls and women we have worked with. For the last 30 years, we have been working for the well-being and development of women and girls in India. Our work helps build communities where all women and girls have equal rights and opportunities that is their due. We are C3. We are Center for Catalyzing Change. For every girl, every woman, everywhere.